Hi everyone, my name is Igor and today I want to talk about AirDAO. So first of all, big thanks for ETHGlobal to host us. Big thanks to all you guys to come here to learn something new, to try to build something new, to figure out what is globalization, Ethereum, DAOs, crypto, blockchain, all this stuff. So what is AirDAO? Apparently, we was thinking how to build something for real users, because there is a lot of technical complexity right now, but there is not much drivers and not much fuel in normies who are trying to do something with crypto. So we do think that our mission is build the most accessible layer 1 blockchain, focusing on user experience, advanced developers tools, and transparent DAO governance. We do want to empower emerging markets. We aim to bridge financial gaps and unlock new economic opportunities. So we, as ecosystem, we want to be a place where everybody can harness the power of DeFi. Our secure, fast, and affordable network will revolutionize finance for those who need it most, empowering those who make the greatest contribution. The whole idea is to try to look back in what crypto was for all its journey, and there was a place in history when nobody know what the crypto is. When Bitcoin was, everybody was normies. In 2009, 2012, 2014, people doesn't know what crypto is. But in 2015, 2017, a lot of people jumped into crypto, so we was trying to figure out what was the main differentiation, why people was jumping in that times, and why people don't do this, because it's really complex. There is a lot of stuff which is related to technicality, speed, some transparency, but there is not much stuff done with UI UX. So what is AirDAO? We are EVM compatible layer 1 ecosystem with mobile first vision. So all the stuff that you can do with Ethereum is possible on AirDAO. Full support of Solidity, full support of your favorite tools, similar contract addresses, similar address structure. We do have native token Embers and Bonds, 3 other tokens coming soon, which will be related to our DeFi ecosystem. Bond Marketplace is a good place to launch your token DEX, because right now having a blockchain is only one part, another part having a lot of ecosystem stuff as well as tokens. So you need to have stable DEX to be able to handle all this stuff, and definitely liquid staking, because third token is for liquid staking. People want to support network, and while you support network, you need to run a node, and to run a node, you need to do like bare metal server stuff. Apparently, liquid staking is something which is really simplifies support of blockchain for real people. We do have a bunch of partners: DWF, Soprolins, INC4, Modus, Fractal. We do have that vision on focus. We are looking for products which match categories like blockchain, infrastructure, DeFi, real world assets, DAO, AI, GameFi, meme coins. So there is no like really complex product. All product are tailored to be used by normies. We do have a bunch of wallets which support us. MetaMask, because it's like literally Ethereum stuff. Trusty, SafePal, BitJet. We do have a bunch of bridges towards different chains. So we support Ethereum, we support Binance. There is a lot of wrapped version of Embers on both networks, and we do support asset transfer from that network. So if you build in something like cross-chain or account abstraction, there could be a nice place to go. In terms of user acquisition, for users, it's like really easy to buy Embers, because we are listed on a bunch of exchanges: Binance, KuCoin, Gate, Max, bunch of other exchanges. So we do want to build something for real people, not for VC and not for like weird guys. So this is the main point of this is accessibility. We do have a lot of tools for builders, especially, as I mentioned, bridge. So if you have contract in one network like Ethereum, Binance, you do some stuff, you can bridge it to AirDAO, spin a bunch of contracts in AirDAO, which will be way cheaper, faster than bridge back. Astra is a DEX, so if you do some token play, you want to be able to put your liquidity somewhere. So basically, you can create liquidity pool, trade your tokens back and forth. One day or another, everything goes with a token play way faster than without token. Cosmos is a launchpad or bond marketplace where you can do a nice token sale or user acquisition through our platform. Staking for staking. Apparently, it's hard to mention project which do something in crypto without staking. As well as we have really good mobile wallet with really good infrastructure and tailored for UI UX. Few of our key metrics, we have close to 30,000 network token holders. We past few years, we did like close to 100 millions of transactions. Right now we have, it's a little bit outdated, so right now we have even more. So we have approximately 1,000 daily active users past 2 weeks. So it's more like 20,000 monthly active users. And we are still decentralized. So we have more than 170 nodes validated, which kind of like really good. It's hard to find some point of failure when your network is so decentralized. Transaction fee is really low, so you can deploy everything in mainnet directly. There is no reason to build something in testnet. There is no reason to figure out how the faucet works. There is no reason to figure out how to put testnet, where's the testnet explorer. So basically, it's similar to Ethereum in 2018, just build in prod, test in prod, do everything in prod. It's that simple. Apparently, if, okay, we're back. If you need some members, just come to our boss. I send you like 10 members, which will be more than enough to deploy wherever you need. For stakers, we do have really good APY because sometimes you are building some protocols, people want to jump in, then it's just like not viable to buy coin for like 5 cents for transaction. So usually people buy from exchange for like 15, 20, $100. They can use part for your tooling or our protocol usage, and other could be used for staking. Fully EVM compatible, so wherever stuff you will have done on Ethereum should be deployed here like really easy. It gives you a lot of opportunity for code reuse, because I do think that maybe Ethereum is one of the most used network and there is a bunch of code already done there. We did have zero downtime since 2019 April, so we had like really stable network. What is our ambitions? We do have we do want to have a lot of ecosystem dApps. We do want to have 25x on daily active users. We do want to be in top 21 of layer 1 blockchains, and we measured that our network is like easily able to scale to 40 million daily transactions. So we want to have at least 4 million daily transaction in this next year. We are working on impact-based voting, so this is a part of DAO governance. If somebody is willing to build something related to DAO, to governance, related to soul-bound tokens, let's talk as well. And we do want to have at least 100,000 token holders. This is where our community located. So we do have really big community in Turkey. We do have really big community in France, Germany, Ukraine. We do have really big community in Nigeria, Ghana. We have really great community in Korea, Japan, India, Thailand, Vietnam. So we do really big decentralized community. Our community management team is more like 40 plus members who literally try to talk to normies about crypto. We do have 9 community elected council members, so network is governed by people who have some impact. Literally like community vote who will govern the network in the future. This is our DeFi stack. So it's not possible to build layer 1 on its own. Apparently, developers expect to have way more, and especially users expect to have way more. So layer 1 and wallet is just like really beginning. On top of this, you need to have explorers. We have at least 2. On top of this, you need to have dashboards. You need to have testnets, all this stuff. And apparently it goes further. So we build a full stack of DeFi products for people who are willing to build something on AirDAO, especially with token play. So Cosmos is unique bond marketplace where users can create bonds wherever they like. So if you are familiar with Vested, Cliff, escrow tokens, Cosmos is your place. AstraDex is a decentralized EMM, similar to Uniswap. We do a little bit different. You can put any amount tokens against any other amount tokens and apparently become automatic market maker. People can trade back and forth on your liquidity, and you can do, I know, like token distribution through this or some nice mechanics. Harbor is liquid staking, which allows people to stake tokens but still become liquid, so they will have staked version of our tokens. Let's talk again about our advantages. So we do have really high performance and really have good scalability. Network fee is really cheap. We are secure and decentralized. We are fully EVM compatible. We have like low block time as 5 seconds. We do have a lot of real active users. So real active users is maybe what we could give to you. And in AirDAO, you can just test in prod. So deploy everything. Don't care about testnet, mainnet. Just come to me. I will give you like few members. It will be more than enough to deploy everything. We are focusing right now on decentralized application, basic infrastructure, social fi, GameFi, meme coins, AI, lending protocols, and DEXs. So why do you want to build something on AirDAO? We do like collaborative growth. So on AirDAO, we think that we are growing together because if your project will succeed, our network will succeed as well. It's fully EVM compatible. Wherever you like on Ethereum should work on AirDAO. Really low transaction fee. We do have some grant and marketing community support. We do have really active community. We do have supported a lot of projects which build something in past, especially like from the hackathon groups. Some weird slides, sorry. This is like what we gathered together. Maybe this is the most interesting slide. So AirDAO is one of the main sponsors in this day. We do have 20,000. There's 1 0 missing total prize pool. But apparently there is like 3 tracks. Best up for AirDAO network, wherever you like, build wherever you like. First prize, $5,000, second prize, $3,000, third prize, $2,000. Anything which could utilize blockchain with some reasons. Second one is attention economy. Attention economy is memes, is social fi, is friend tech, wherever is related to attentions. You can tokenize like, you can do some links with Warpcast, you can create anything which is related to attention. First prize, $2,500, second prize, $1,500, third prize, $1,000. And we do think that people is not the only one who can utilize blockchain. One day or another, AI will have some need to transact. So what is the better way for transacting for AIs and blockchain? Because one of the underutilized tools or possibility in blockchain is cost of creation of your wallet is 0. None of the financial system give you this. You cannot open hundreds of bank accounts. You cannot open hundreds of PayPal accounts. In blockchain, you can create few thousand of wallets in few seconds, and you can spin few thousand of agents, give every agent $1 and tell them, okay, like do something. So apparently one day or another AI will be able to transact, and we do think that this is an opportunity which should be discovered. So join our revolution. We do want to put normies and put real people in crypto, and we want to make crypto simple for real people. We do have in main Discord of this event, there's like partners track, so we will have support in Discord on ETHGlobal. You can go to AirDAO main site. There will be Telegram channels and there will be Discord channels. There is a special sub channels for builders, which you can join. This QR code literally goes to the builders channel. There should be always somebody on our booth, and there is like a bunch of stuff, a bunch of people who are willing to help you if you will be willing to build something on AirDAO. Thanks. Do we have questions? That's pretty much on my side. Yeah, sure. So the question is what kind of oracles we have. Apparently, we don't have right now any type of oracles, but in case of hackathon, you can mock everything. So it's not a blocker. We are integrating we are talking like a few oracles providers right now. Past hackathon, people was just mocking oracles and this worked fine. Okay, I wish you good luck and happy building, and I do sure that you'll do great stuff someday. Thanks, bye.